Hello children, good morning. How are you all? Fine? Okay, so children, today we are going to study subject grammar of class 2nd. Okay, so from today we are going to start our second term. So what is the chapter? Chapter number 11 is matching nouns and verbs. Okay, so matching nouns and verbs. So take out page number 53. Have you opened it, children? Okay. Now see first definition here. First we will read what is written. In simple present tense, if the subject of a sentence is one person or a thing, then the verb in the predicate must also be singular. He runs, she eats. Now see, in simple present tense, if the subject of a sentence is one person, okay, means for example, here we have given one sentence, okay, and here I means we are talking about हम हमारे खुद के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, right? So we are talking about one person, okay? So this is singular noun, right? So if subject is singular noun, then this predicate also will be singular, right? For example, here we have given he runs, she eats, he. One boy, okay, again here she it is, so again this is singular noun, right? We are talking about only one girl, understood? So next, if the subject of a sentence is plural, then it uses a plural verb. For example, we run, they eat. Here you can see we blank for the whole class, okay? So we means more than one people is there. Okay, more than one person means plural noun is there. So we blank for the whole class. This is the subject. If subject is plural, then this answer, this predicate also will be plural. Okay, for example, we have given here we run. Okay, they eat. Understood? Like this. I and you are exceptions to the rule as they take a plural verb. I run, you eat. मीन्स जब भी सेंटेंस में आई या फिर यू होगा तो वहां पे हमेशा ईट या रन जो सब्जेक्ट है वो वैसा का वैसा ही सिंगुलर ही यूज होगा. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी विल हियर इट विल वी विल यूज प्लूरल. व्हाई? बिकॉज दे आर प्लूरल नाउन्स. ओके, सो in for this, for I and you, we will always use plural nouns in the predicate also. Now for example, see we are doing exercise. Take out page number 53. See here, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb speak. We have given here verb speak. Okay, we have given this verb. We have to put correct verb in the fill in the blanks. Okay, so see in the first number, I blanks for the whole class. I means one person. Okay, here it is given I run. Again it is here I, so what we will use here? Speak. We will not write here speaks. Okay, why speaks? Because I means only I am speaking for the whole class, right? So here I speak for the whole class. Understood? Now see second number, he blanks for the whole class. Again here it is a singular noun. He speaks. Right? One person is there, so he speaks. You have given here examples. Right? Now see. She speaks for the whole class. Understood? Are you understanding what I am saying to you? Okay. Now see fourth number, Danush. Danush means a boy. We are talking about one boy here. Okay, so again it is singular, so what we will use here? Speaks. Clear? For the Danush speaks for the whole class. Now see fifth number, the monitors. Monitors means there are so many monitors, more than one person, so the monitors speak. Okay, plural is there, so speak for the whole class. Okay. Now see sixth number, again it is plural noun here, so monitors speak for the whole class. Clear up till here? Now see 7th number. You. Again with you here. You speak. With I and you, we will use plural. They take plural verb. Okay? So we will use their speaks. You speaks for the whole class. Understood? Now 8th number. They blank for the whole class. They means again this is a plural now. So it will take plural predicate, right? So they speak for the whole class. Understood? Clear up till 8th number? Okay, now see, turn the page. Page number 54. See, exercise B. Write the correct simple present tense form of the verb in the brackets. Okay, here we have given again brackets like this. Okay, we have given here different verbs. So we have to put proper verb in the simple present tense. Now see in the first number what is written. They blank washes their clothes every Sunday. In the bracket what it is given, wash and washes. So what we will write, they here. Okay, it is written they. Now see here. They means plural nouns. Okay. So what we are using with they? See like this. Okay. So they wash their clothes. Understood? So what our answer will be? They wash. Our answer will be wash. Now see second number. He blank in the bracket writes beautiful poetry. He means singular noun is there. So he blank beautiful poetry. Right? So singular noun is there. So he writes. Understood? Clear up till here? Now see third number. I blank forgets to lock the door. So what our answer will be? I forget. So see now fourth number. We blank eat or eats sweets on Diwali. So again here it is given we. We means plural noun. So what our answer will be? We eat. Right? We eat sweets in Diwali. Understood children? Clear up till here? Okay. Now see. Elephants love bananas. Elephants means there are so many elephants. Okay. Plural noun is there. So they are eating bananas. So we will write elephants love bananas. Now see sixth number. The mouse steals cheese. Why steals we will write? Because there is only one mouse is there, right? Okay. Clear up till here? Now see seventh number. You hide behind the tree. Again here, you hide behind the tree. Why here it will come hide? Because here it is you. That's why we will write hide. Okay. Now see last number. A duck quacks very loudly. Only one duck is there. So duck is quacking. What is doing? Duck quacks very loudly. Clear up till here? Now see exercise C. We have given here different sentences. We have to underline on the correct verb. Okay, so first is I bracket is R M for from Chennai. Okay. First number, I blank from Chennai. Okay, so I is there. What we are using with I? We will use M. Okay, with I, we will always use M. When in the sentence it is given I, you will use M. Okay, if it is he, she, it, singular noun is there, so we will use is. Understood? And when it is plural noun, we, you and they. So what we will use here? We will write here are with them. Understood? Clear up to here? Now see second number. फर्स्ट नंबर में क्या आएगा? I am. Why am? Because we are using am with I. Now see second number, he has and have. Okay, when singular noun is there, we will use has. Okay, in the simple present tense, we will use he with, has with he, she, it. Okay, clear up till here? So he has many toys. Okay, here is also and has also, and here are also and have also. Understood? Clear? Now see, third number is she blank 9 years old. So what is given in the bracket? M is are. So she is. Why is? Because it is singular noun. I told you na. He, she, it. We will use is or has. Okay. And we, you, they. We will use have or are. Okay. Clear up till third number. Now see fourth number. They blank my friends. In the bracket it is given is, was and are. Right, and here it is given they. Okay, so they means it is plural noun. So they are. Our answer will be are. They are my friends. Clear? Now see fifth number. We blank our household chores. Do or does? We will use do. Why do? Because it is plural noun. It is written we. Now see sixth number. You blank a blue jacket. Has, have. What we will use here? Come on, tell me, children. Very good. We will use here have. Why have? Because it is plural noun. You is given. Okay. Now see seventh number. Tarun am, is, are a good tennis player. Tarun means only one boy is there. So Tarun is a good tennis player. Why is? Because we are talking about only one boy. So we will use is with he. Okay, now see the last number. Today in the bracket is, am, are a rainy day. Today means only one day we are talking about. Okay, so today is a rainy day. Clear up till here, children? Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.